Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. In a remarkable fusion of classic design and modern engineering, Boreham Motorworks, in collaboration with Ford Motor Company, has unveiled the 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS Continumod. This limited edition vehicle pays homage to the iconic 1970s rally legend while integrating contemporary performance and technology. Design and chassis. The 2025 Escort Mk1 RS Continumod is meticulously crafted from the ground up, foregoing any donor car. Utilizing original blueprints provided by Ford, Boreham Motorworks has ensured that each of the 150 units retains the authentic aesthetic of the classic Mk1 Escort. The body features reinforced steel with additional bracing and vertical rear dampers, enhancing structural integrity and handling dynamics. Lightweight materials contribute to an overall weight of approximately 800 kilograms, optimizing the power-to-weight ratio. Suspension and handling. The vehicle's suspension system is a testament to advanced engineering, featuring a McPherson front strut setup and a lightweight aluminum titanium rear axle. This configuration ensures balanced handling and responsive feedback, essential for both road and track performance. Notably, the Escort Mk1 RS Continumod is designed to deliver a pure, unfiltered driving experience, intentionally omitting power steering, ABS, traction control, and brake servo systems. This analog approach allows drivers to fully engage with the vehicle's dynamics, reminiscent of its motorsport heritage. Braking system. To complement its performance capabilities, the car is equipped with a high-performance braking system. Vented and solid disc brakes, paired with multi-piston calipers, provide exceptional stopping power and control. This setup ensures that the vehicle can handle the demands of spirited driving and competitive scenarios alike. Interior and features. Inside, the 2025 Escort Mk1 RS Continumod blends classic design elements with modern amenities. The interior showcases high-quality materials and craftsmanship, reflecting the vehicle's premium status. While maintaining a driver-focused layout, the cabin incorporates contemporary features to enhance comfort and convenience, ensuring that occupants enjoy a refined driving experience without compromising the car's vintage charm. Production and pricing. Production of the Escort Mk1 RS Continumod is scheduled to commence in the third quarter of 2025, with a limited run of 150 units. Each vehicle is priced starting at £295,000, reflecting its exclusivity and the meticulous craftsmanship involved in its creation. This investment not only secures a piece of automotive history reimagined for the modern era but also includes a 2-year or 20,000 mile warranty, providing owners with peace of mind. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS Continumod stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of classic automotive design, thoughtfully updated to meet contemporary performance standards. Boreham Motorworks' dedication to preserving the essence of the original Mk1 Escort, while seamlessly integrating modern engineering, offers enthusiasts a unique opportunity to experience a legendary vehicle reborn for today's roads. For a visual overview of the 2025 Ford Escort Mk1 RS Continumod, including detailed insights into its main components and design philosophy, you can watch the following video.